next Saturday, the 23rd of April, the day of Sant Jordi, and it's a tradition to build human towers in the honor of this patron saint of Catalonia. Here we are in Plaza de la Vila, or Vilanova Geltrú, where we have the Candelier team Nens del Vendrell building a 3x7. Right next to this palm tree. Guess that they had miscalculated that position slightly. Can't have been the intention that the top children would climb up in the middle of palm leaves. Not that it will put this construction at risk, but well, it's far from ideal. Nens del Vendrell were very successful last season. Here they are crowning their 3x7, just a bit. Last season we saw them building 3d7 and 4x8. And let us hope that this is a start for at least for another season, at least as successful or even better. We are in the Plaza de la Vila, or Vilanova Geltrú, Catalonia, 2008.